I never thought that I'd find a school like this, and the fact that I got what I wanted done in the year and a half that I was here makes me very proud.
My favorite thing has always been to just make stuff with my hands, and to start from scratch and end with a final project, it was really rewarding.
The way that my craft as an artist has evolved, I am incredibly grateful and would not have found it without this place.
My favorite part of my experience at AMUA is probably the family that I've made here. Like, they're going to be lifelong friends for sure, and I know that I can always count on them.
I used to think that I wasn't good at anything, but coming here made me realize that I'm good at a lot of different things, and I can do it, and just to be confident in myself.
Everyone here is here for you, and they're here to support you, and you're going to be so proud of yourself in the end. I've never loved something so much.